This cooling tower is in terrible condition that needs to be replaced. See, it's just falling apart. The top all rusted out. Come over here. This side, terrible condition. I ain't seen no leaks under the bottom. That's a plus. But it's in terrible condition. Yeah, we got a small leak over there. It needs to be replaced. And this is it. The reason the discharge pressure is so high on one of the compressors downstairs, this belt real loose. It is not rejected the heat from the water. And you see it then stuck a hole in that. That then fell apart. And that then fell apart. Its bracket broke off. Whew. I don't like to inhale that water, that vapor, but I need to change that belt. So I gotta shut this cooling tower down. I'm probably gonna go to lunch and come back. If you ever come in a pinch, just grab one of these adjustable V-belts. You got much better airflow, but the bearings sound bad. As you can see, the center, that shaft is moving from side to side. That goes to show me those bearings are going bad up there. That's that noise you hear, I believe. The bearings are definitely failing. I shouldn't be able to move this wheel with my arm with one hand. So, needs to be replaced. Might as well replace the whole unit of how bad a shape it's in.